Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? क्या तुम एक काम करोगे? How long were you there? How long were you there? तुम कितनी देर से वहाँ थे? Something is fishy. Something is fishy. दाल में कुछ काला है, कुछ मसला है. There is no doubt about it. There is no doubt about it. इसमें कोई शक नहीं है. Have you seen him? Have you seen him? क्या तुमने उसे देखा है? Have you ever seen him? Have you ever seen him? क्या तुमने उसे कभी देखा है? His memory is weak. His memory is weak. उसकी यादाश्त कमज़ोर है, हाफिज़ा कमज़ोर है. His memory is sharp. His memory is sharp. इसकी यादाश्त तेज़ है. He is forgetful. He is forgetful. वो भुलक्कड़ है, बोलने वाला है. I am yet to eat food. I am yet to eat food. मुझे खाना बाकी है. I am yet to think. I am yet to think. मुझे अभी सोचना बाकी है. I have not eaten the food yet. I have not eaten the food yet. मैंने अभी तक खाना नहीं खाया है. I have not thought yet. I have not thought yet. मैंने अभी तक नहीं सोचा है. I will take you home. I will take you home. मैं आपको घर ले जाऊंगा. I will bring you home. I will bring you home. मैं आपको घर ले आऊंगा. I will drop you home. I will drop you home. मैं आपको घर छोड़ दूंगा. He is still hungry. He is still hungry. वो अभी भी भूखा है. I have this one. I have this one. मेरे पास ये वाला है. Which one is with you? Which one is with you? कौन सा वाला आपके पास है? Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. इसके बारे में सोचना भी मत. He got fainted. He got fainted. या he fainted. वो बेहोश हो गया. He regained consciousness. He regained consciousness. उसे होश आ गया. वो होश में आ गया. Are you out of mind? Are you out of mind? क्या आपका दिमाग खराब है? Have you gone mad? Have you gone mad? क्या तुम पागल हो गए हो? We consider him mad. We consider him mad. हम उसे पागल समझते हैं, दीवाना समझते हैं. You are good for nothing. You are good for nothing. तुम किसी काम के नहीं हो. Someone is standing behind you. Someone is standing behind you. कोई आपके पीछे खड़ा है. I have met him once. I have met him once. मैं उसे एक बार मिल चुका हूँ. I have met him many times. I have met him many times. मैं उसे कई बार मिल चुका हूँ. There is no room for doubt. There is no room for doubt. शक की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं है. Make it easier. Make it easier. इसे और आसान कर दो. He often comes home late at night. He often comes home late at night. वो अक्सर रात को घर देर से आता है. No need to say anything. No need to say anything. कुछ कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. When will we meet again? When will we meet again? दोबारा कब मिलेंगे? Where have you kept my shoes? Where have you kept my shoes? तुमने मेरे जूते कहाँ रखे हुए हैं? प्यारे शागिर्दों, अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें ताकि वो भी इसे इस्तेफादा उठाए और इंग्लिश आसानी से घर बैठ कर सीखें. थैंक्स.